Hi all, this is Steve Mai, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the New Zealand and Australian dollars, both against the US currency, both displaying positive tones in here, with particularly the New Zealand dollar in a bull trend in here, which we look to extend into and through the late part of June. Clearly, however, the key referendum on EU membership in the UK on Thursday, 23rd of June, tomorrow, at the point here of recording, is going to be critical in here for many asset classes, not just the UK, not just the pound, but also here for New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, and the whole G10 complex effect for most currencies in here, and most asset classes as well. But however, just looking at the chart and where we stand at the moment, the tone is very positive in here for the New Zealand dollar. The underlying bull trend all the way from last year is very much intact. The acceleration higher that we've seen through this year is intact, and then the even more intense acceleration from late May through early June, and again over the last week to take out this retracement level at 71.53. All points to market still higher on a bigger picture outlook. Minimal targets at 72.32, 72.72. Potential targets up here at 73.96, 74.13, maybe as high as 75.64. So a far more bullish tone coming through in here. For the Australian dollar, not quite so bullish in here, more defined by a range theme between 77.19 and 71.41 from our technical perspective, since the market rebounded to create a base here through 74.02, but previously topping up here in April through May on the breakdown that we had from 77.19. So a top structure and a base structure defining the range between 71.41 and 77.19. But this dip and the rebound that we've seen to new recovery highs here more recently this week in June, with a strong recovery effort from last week, all leaves a positive bias within that range and real threat for a more bullish shift potentially through 77.19. But clearly the Thursday 23rd of June vote is going to be critical in the UK. This has been Steve Mai, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.